Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. These three structures, P, Q, and R, are resonating structures of the same compound, E, pent 2N4 enanitrile, or more precisely a molecule with a vinyl group, a CN group, and an acetyl, COCH3, group. Specifically, they represent resonance contributors of CH2 is equal to CHC, CN is equal to CO, CH3, type system, i.e., resonance structures of a compound like methyl vinyl ketone with a nitrile substituent. Step 1. Identify what each structure represents in terms of charge separation and stability criteria. Structure P has O negative charge on oxygen, and the CN group is intact CN. The negative charge resides on oxygen. Oxygen is highly electronegative and can stabilize negative charge very well. Additionally, the structure has AC is equal to C double bond between the central carbons, fully conjugated. The negative charge on oxygen is stabilized by electronegativity of oxygen. Structure Q has C is equal to O, neutral carbonyl, and the negative charge is on carbon, carbanion on the carbon-bearing CN. Carbon is less electronegative than oxygen or nitrogen, so a carbanion is less stable than an oxyanion or nitronion in general. However, the carbanion is adjacent to CN and C is equal to O groups, which provide some stabilization through delocalization. Structure R has C is equal to O, neutral carbonyl, and C is equal to N, negative charge on nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon but less electronegative than oxygen, so N is less stable than O but more stable than a carbanion, C. Step 2. Rank by stability of charge placement. Negative charge on O, most electronegative, best at stabilizing negative charge, structure P is most stable. Negative charge on N, intermediate electronegativity, structure R is intermediate. Negative charge on C, least electronegative, worst at stabilizing negative charge, structure Q is least stable. Step 3. Order PRQ. Step 4. Check against options. Option D states PRQ, which matches our analysis. Why other options fail? A. PQR incorrectly places Q, C above R, N, nitrogen stabilize negative charge better than carbon. B. QPR incorrectly ranks carbanion structure highest, which is wrong. C. QRP also incorrectly ranks carbanion highest. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.